Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I did a thrift haul. In that thrift haul was this lamp right here. As a matter of fact, this is the same clip that was in that video. If you want a little bit more information about this lamp, you can hit the card at the top of this video and it will take you to that thrift haul that I did. But anyway, this is just a clip that I am including just to show you all what we're doing today. I will be making over this lamp. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, we are outside. We're taking this project outside this time. This particular day was nice and breezy. I felt like it would help the spray paint dry in between coats. So I decided to bring it outside. Hindsight is 2020 though. I would have not done it on the grass. So you live and you learn. This is the spray paint I am using. It is Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. It is the ultra matte black finish. And I'm gonna tell you right now, you have not even seen the finished product, but I absolutely love this spray paint. It went on like a dream, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the project. So while I was spray painting, I found that the coverage of this spray paint was great. The first coat looked phenomenal. I did though have to bring out a t-shirt, as you can see, to wipe off some of the drips because I was a little too close at some points, and also I had to go around the lamp a lot to make sure I got everything covered. Here I am just covering the prongs for the outlet. This is how you can tell this lamp right here is vintage. Sorry, I'm a little out of frame here, but I'll bring it back down. So I'm covering this up and then I'll resume spray painting. So in this clip, as you can see, I am spray painting the cord. What you will not see is me editing out clips. A couple of seconds ago, I dropped the cord and it went right into the grass, which is why I said future reference, I will not be spray painting outside on my lawn. I had to pick off little bits of grass, but it came out just fine in the end. I laid it on there and allowed it to dry in the breeze. You cannot do DIY without making mistakes, and I will freely show mine here. This is the inside before the first coat is done, and this is after the first coat is complete. I'm showing you the coverage of just one coat. I'm just bringing it inside just because I just wanted to see it in my space. So here is the first coat, and I will come back after we have applied the second one. And here we are after the second coat and the light bulb put in. If you go back earlier in the video, you'll see I had a regular light bulb in it just to test to see if it worked when we first purchased it. And I ended up getting these light bulbs at a consignment store near us. I touched on these light bulbs in the thrift haul video as well, but I'm just showing you the light bulb again here. Once again, if you want to go back and see that thrift haul, I will link it above in the cards. I absolutely love how this lamp came out. I did a little bit of staging with some of the wild grasses my babies picked for me out in our yard. This is the light bulb lit up. Can't get a really good view of it on camera because of how bright it's shining, but it came out so great. Don't mind the two-tone wall. That corner right there is my little teaching / tutoring corner. Haven't done a video on that yet, but if you want to see it, drop a comment. Might just do that. As always, y'all, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.